Yo, what is good? This is Lo from Future Wealth Advisors. I want to say thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Before we get started, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Because in this video, I'm going to give you some game on inquiries. Yes, they only make up 10% of your FICO score, but they play a major role when it comes to getting funding. So stay tuned in this video. I got something to tell y'all. So, with your FICO score, your credit score, 10% of that score is actually made up of the number of inquiries. Now, the thing is with inquiries, a lot of people say like they don't affect your credit, right? But that's completely false. Yes, it's 10% of your score, and yes, that might be the smallest portion, but think about this when it comes to inquiries. Like, an inquiry is you going to apply for credit, right? Now, the thing is, when you apply for credit, that means that you need something. You need this money to do this. You need a line of credit to do something else, whatever that may be, right? So, with that being said, a lot of these lenders will check your credit report. They'll check everything. Now, the thing is that a lot of inquiries on your report may really make you look desperate. So the thing is when you go to apply for any new line of credit, to always make sure that this is something that you need. Do not just do this because you've seen a video on YouTube. Hey, you should do this, and you just try it. Like, make sure it's something that you need. And then also make sure that your credit report and your credit score is at that level that'll get you all of those things that you need, all of the lines of credit, So with that being said, with a lot of lenders, they only want you to have 2, maybe 3 inquiries per, credit reporting agency. So, if Experian, you only want 2 to 3, Equifax, TransUnion, 2 to 3, right? Now, this is the thing about the inquiries, and this is something I like to ask people when it comes to the inquiries, and compare it to your personal life. Think about this. There's somebody in your family, right? Now, with this person in your family, they have been known to ask people for money. Now, if you could trace, this person went and asked 30 people for some money, it's going to make them look desperate, right? And think about this. Would you loan somebody that has been known to be desperate, that has known to ask a lot of people for money? You're probably not going to loan them money. So with that thought process that you have on a personal level, these lenders, these banks have that same thought process, but on a professional level. All right, so keep that in mind. Now this is some game right here on how to get your inquiries removed, because inquiries are actually one of the easiest things to get removed. So go through your credit report, and when you look at your inquiries, make sure that none of the inquiries are directly attached to an account on your credit report. All right, so if you have, you go to a dealership, they pull your credit 26 times, right? Make sure that within those 26 that you want to get deleted, none of them are attached to an account on your consumer report, right? All right, so what you're going to do is then write all of those down, write the information, the company name, and the date, right? So now what you're going to do is when you write those down, you're going to write a letter saying that the inquiries below are unauthorized. I did not authorize any of the inquiries below. And according to the FCRA, my consumer report, my credit report, has to be 100% accurate. So if you have unauthorized, inquiries on your credit report, that means that it's not 100% accurate. And a lot of times what'll happen is that you can actually call into these your credit reporting agencies and ask to speak to the fraud department because you have unauthorized inquiries on your report. So once you call them, you tell them exactly what I said, like, hey, I have unauthorized inquiries on my credit report. What they're going to ask you is, do you want to place a fraud alert on your consumer report, now on your credit, right? The thing is with this is that I would say don't do that. I would say keep it open. And the reason why is because you might apply for something, you might get denied. And you don't want that inquiry being on your report if you got denied, right? So then you'll repeat the process. This is how a lot of, credit reporting agencies get those inquiries off. That's all they do. They might call and, assume act like you and get all your information and say, hey, I got these, inquiries that's unauthorized, or they're just sending a letter stating what I just told you. So that's a credit repair, company trade secret, but it's simple. Just write a letter to them saying, hey, these are unauthorized, please remove them. And that's it. Now, some like TransUnion and Equifax, they might ask you to do a FTC letter, or you have a police report. You don't need a police report. In most cases, you don't even need an FTC report. So just write that letter stating that, unauthorized, please remove them. That's it. That's it. So, please take this game that I gave you about inquiries and implement them. Go do it right now. Below we actually have our top 5 dispute letters that we like to use to help all of our clients get things removed from their credit report. Check those out. And then also, a big thing that we're doing right now is that we're having a special on our credit repair service. Now, our credit repair service for a year usually averages around $12.97. But we're going to actually supply a year's worth of credit repair service with a money-back guarantee. We're going to keep educating you. We're going to also educate you on not only the importance of credit, but actually how to use credit to build wealth. And I know a lot of people are pushing this whole entrepreneurship, thing, but you can actually use credit to pay to learn a new skill that'll get you a high-paying job. So, credit isn't always about, getting a new house, get a new car. It's actually a way that you can actually, maximize the opportunities in life. So, we're going to give you all of these, features, like I said, 1 year credit repair service, credit education, show you how to optimize, your credit, and show you how to maximize your credit opportunities, all for the price of $5.97 for the whole year. And the thing is that we actually back this price with our money back guarantee. So, this is a huge opportunity that we want to extend to all of our followers and subscribers. We want to thank you, for watching our videos, and this is our way of showing our appreciation. So, if you want to get started, please go ahead and text the number below. All of the directions to get started today is going to be listed below. Look at those and actually tap in. We want to help. We want to help. And like I want to say, between me and my business partner Tristan Jacobs, thank you. All of the subscribers, everybody that likes, everybody that sends a comment. We appreciate you. This is Lo from Future Wealth Advisors. Talk to you soon.